Hey folks, how you going? Sky Pilot here. Well, the sun is out, the birds are singing, and I'm going to go for another fly of my Emax TinyHawk Freestyle FPV drone with some minor PID adjustments.
Let's get cracking. Yeah, if you want to check out the Emax online, top corner there, tech specs, demos of this little beast in action. She is an awesome little unit. Really smooth, easy to fly, lots of fun. Banggood.com, link in the description like normal, as well as all my other gear and all of their specials that are coming up and on at the moment. So without Okay guys, ready to roll with the TinyHawk Freestyle. Let's see how that PID tune goes. Yeah, still getting some low RF. Okay. Well, I'm on horizon mode at the moment, guys. I'll just have a bit of a fly around, see how the RF signal fares out there on the pitch. Okay, let's come over to where we are and do a punch up. Not too sure what the DJI action's showing. Guys, I've just got it attached to my chest, which is interesting. Oh, I can hear a car coming. Let's just go over here and see where the car is. Over there. And it's coming over here. Okay. We shall bring it over here. And I shall back myself up to the car. So that I can lean on something. Now the trouble at the moment here, guys, in Australia is there are quite a few flies around, which are a bit of a nuisance. Okay. We shall bring it over here. I think I've actually lost my design down a bit. Let's try flying a little bit of echo, but not too sure how we'll go with that. Anyway, this is a great fun little unit, guys. Some pretty good footage out of it. There is a bit of wind here, guys, so it is actually, I am struggling in the wind a little bit, if I'm perfectly honest. Let's just have a quick change of pace here and do a bit of a punch up. $51, $52, 7% volts. Okay. And I think my RD200 just fell on the ground. Okay, quick punch up. Pretty decent. Which enables it to beat. Make noise now. And there she is. So the Emax TinyHawk, this thing is a perler, guys. Again, link down below. You can pick these up for sub $100 at the moment. And they are a robust unit. I've given this one a few knocks around on the tarmac and she's stood the test of time, yeah, pretty well. You see those batteries the batteries have actually slid back a tiny bit, so I do mean to put some rough tape on its hood so the batteries don't slide around, but Pretty decent battery life from this unit as well. Love that horizon mode. I'll just run the batteries down a bit here. A little bit of a scoot around the place. Well, there you have it, guys. The Emax revisited. Pretty happy with the pitch tune I got on here. As I said, I have done some minor adjustments. You do play around with it a fair bit on beta flight, just to get it how you actually want it flying. But straight out of the box, it's certainly a decent little flyer. I do like horizon mode if you're not quite ready for acro, so horizon mode will actually allow you to do some flips, etc. And once it's done its execute its roll, it will, once it's done its roll, it'll actually find its own level again by itself. So if all else fails, just let go of your sticks, cruise around, and she'll self-balance. And we're running out of power. Emax TinyHawk. You can't go wrong. Plenty more to come. Just been waiting for some new LiPo batteries, so I've been a bit short on the videos lately, but they're on their way. Drop us a comment, smash that thumbs up, and telemetry's lost, so I'll see you in the sky for another fly. Sky Pilot, catch you later.